What is juvenile delinquency? A violation of the law committed by a juvenile that would have been a crime if committed by an adult. Today, we have compared the two significant pieces of legislation of the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Program in the United States of the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of the Philippines of RA 9344, which both aim to protect the children from the criminal justice system and encourage rehabilitation. Although the welfare of the juvenile offenders is the main objective of the laws, their approaches to the problem are different in the terms law, culture, and the society. The overview of RA 9344 or the Republic Act 9344 passed in 2006 is the landmark in the law in the Philippines that seeks to ensure the protection and the welfare of children to conflict with the law. The act emphasizes the rehabilitation over the punishment to promote a children-friendly justice system and important attributes. Age of criminal responsibility according to RA 9344, minor can be held criminally accountable if they younger than 15 years old. However, the minors between the age of 15 to 18 could receive special treatment rehabilitation if they commit serious offenses. The overview of this act in the United States of the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Program Acts focuses on the reducing juvenile crime through the prevention program and supporting the treatment and rehabilitation of young offenders. The emphasis of the offenders-based approaches to addressing the juvenile delinquency. The important attributes in order to address the underlying cause of delinquency is the loss of for the preventive initiatives such as educational initiatives, community involvement in mental health services, alternatives to detention to similar to 9344. The U.S. promotes the U.S. community based on alternatives to lawbreaker and detention minors from the correctional facilities. The common objective for rehabilitation of the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Program Act in 9344 both prioritize diversion programs that divert the children from the formal court processes and enforcement with the shared objective of the emphasize the rehabilitation over punishment for the juvenile offenders. The other similarity is the focus of preventing juvenile delinquency before it's happened. Both the Philippines and the US recognize that addressing the root of the cause of the crimes such as poverty, lack of education, and family issues can help reduce the juvenile offenses. Defending the right of children, both pieces of the legislation are designed to protect the rights of the children, conflict with the law, and includes the providing access to a legal counsel ensuring the children are treated fairly by the justice system. One of the major differences between the two age criminal responsibility in US is the age of which juvenile can be prosecuted varies by states, but is generally between 16 to 18 years old, with some states allowing younger children to be tried adults the serious crimes. In RA 9344 in the Philippines says the age of the criminal responsibility at 15 years old with the provision structure measures for thus age 15 to 8 who commit serious crimes, legal structures, and local versus federal. Execution. Another key difference is in the legal framework. While RA 9344 is a national law enforced across the Philippines, the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Program Act in the US is federal law. But its the implementation is carried out at states local levels, meaning there is a variability in how the law is applied across the different jurisdictions that approach to the juvenile justice in its national context. Both RA 9344 of the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Program accurately growing global consensus in the importance of treating juveniles directly from adults in the criminal justice system, while they share common principles of rehabilitation, prevention, and the protection of children. Their differences stem from the unique legal cultural context in the Philippines and United States. Understanding this law helps us appreciate the diverse approaches to juvenile justice around the world and underscore the importance of safeguarding the future of our youth. Also, RA 9344 provides for the implementation of comprehensive national and local juvenile intervention program to prevent from committing offenses.